Turkey time is right around the corner, so today I have an easy side dish recipe for Hasselback sweet potatoes roasted on the big green egg. These accordion cut potatoes are crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside, and have the alluring hint of wood smoke. It's the ultimate side dish for your Thanksgiving feast. For this show-stopping side dish, you're going to need 6 medium sweet potatoes, 2 sticks of melted butter, kosher salt to taste, a half cup of brown sugar, a half cup of pecans coarsely chopped, and a 1/4 cup of savory pecan big green egg seasoning. First, we'll prepare the sweet potatoes by washing them under cold water, patting them dry, and making a small cut on one side to give the potato a flat edge. Next, you're going to make a series of parallel cuts about 1/4 inch apart down the length of the potato, being careful not to slice all the way through. Pro tip, use a wooden spoon or set of skewers on either side of the potato to act as a guide and prevent the knife from cutting all the way through. Now we're going to dunk these potatoes in our melted butter, making sure they're completely covered. Place them in your cast iron skillet. Then season the outside with a bit of coarse salt. Now that we've got our potatoes prepped, let's head outside and get our egg ready to roast. We've topped off and lit our lump charcoal, added a convector, and adjusted our top and bottom vents to dial in a temperature of 400 degrees. With the temperature set, put the skillet and sweet potatoes in the egg, close the dome, and leave them to roast for 45 minutes. The sweet potatoes should fan slightly, and that's when it's time to baste them with more of your melted butter, making sure to get in between the cuts. After that, combine your remaining dry ingredients and sprinkle a generous amount of your mixture evenly across the sweet potatoes. Close the dome and continue to roast the potatoes another 20 to 30 minutes until they are tender, brown, and the sugar is slightly caramelized. And that's it. Super easy, and everyone around the Thanksgiving table is gonna love it. As always, if you have questions about this recipe or any other Turkey Day technique, give us a call or stop in and talk to the experts. We're just off South Campbell on Tracker Road. Outdoor home, where outdoor living is always in.